Hi everyone, this is Saranya. In this video, we'll be talking about encoders and decoders. The aim is to design and implement encoder and decoder using logic gates. The procedure is being given below. We have to give connection with help of the circuit diagram. Logical inputs are given as per the truth table. Unless we have to observe the output and verify the truth table. Let's move on to encoder. An encoder is a digital circuit that performs inverse operation of the decoder. The encoder input lines are 2 per n and the output lines are n. In encoder, output lines generates the binary code corresponding to the input values. For example, if we take 4 into 2 encoder, that is the value of n is 2, the input lines will be 4 and the output is n, so the output lines will be 2. 4 into 2 encoder, the block diagram has been given here and it has 4 input lines and 2 output lines. The circuit diagram has been given here. We use OR gate for the circuit diagram. So the truth table is given here. The Boolean expression is A1 is equal to Y3 plus Y2. A0 is equal to Y3 plus Y1. There is no use of Y0 in the Boolean expression. So the circuit doesn't contain Y0. The working of encoder has been given here. We'll be requiring 3 toggle switches, 2 OR gates and 2 lights to see the outputs. Now let's label them. This is Y3, this is Y2 and this is Y1 and this is A1 and A0. These 3 are the inputs and these 2 are the outputs. Now we will just connect with the OR gates. Y3 will be one of the input and Y2 will be the other input, and this outputs of the two OR gates are connected to the lights. This is an example of 4 into 2 encoder. So when these 3 are 0, the output will be 0. When Y1 is 1, A0 will be 1. When Y2 is 1, A1 will be 1. When Y3 is 1, A1, A2, A1 and A0 both will be 1. This is the working of encoder. Let's move on to decoder. It's a combinational circuit that converts n lines of input into two per n lines of output. The input code generally has fewer bits than the output code. Decoder accepts code binary data as its input. There are n input lines and 2 per n output lines. For example, if we take 2 into 4 decoder, the logical diagram has been given here. We use 3 NOT gates and 4 NAND gates over here. And this is the enable pin and these 2 are the inputs and these 4 are the outputs. The truth table is being given here. Inputs, this is enable pin, this is A and B. This output is given here, D0, D1, D2 and D3. The Boolean expression is given here. Let's see the working of decoder. We'll be requiring 3 toggle switches and 3 NOT gates and 4 NAND gates and 4 bulbs to represent the outputs. This is labeled as enable pin. This is A, this is B, and these are D0, D1, D2 and D3. Will be just giving the connections, and enable pin is connected to NOT gate, A is connected to another NOT gate and B is also connected to another NOT gate. The NOT gate will be, B's NOT gate will be connected as the input of the first NAND gate, and all the connections will be done. So when these three are 0, the output will be 4 will be 1. When B is 1 and both are 0, D0, D2, D3 will be 1. When A is 1, D0, D1, D3 will be 1. When A and B both are 1, D0 and D1 will be 1, D2, D3 will be 0. And this is the working of decoder. And thank you.